northwestern Oklahoma until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! We just got an SVR. We just got an SVR.
The following events are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watauga, Canton, Longdale, Hitchcock, Eastern Canton Lake, and Southern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.